Okay, YouTube. We're going to learn, this is the lesson that everybody's been waiting for, called The Wild by the Viagra Boys. Now, there's guitar in this song, but it starts out with just the synthesizer. That's how you can play it. Okay, that's what the synthesizer's playing. It's A string at the 8th fret, which is a F. This is a E flat. Then it goes down to a C at the 3rd fret. So that's a 8, 6, 3. And then you jump to the E string, you go 3, 4. Okay, you could play it all in power chords. Guitar, but here's the chords they're playing. So F minor 7, E flat major, C minor 7, G minor 7 to G sharp minor 7. Okay, but what you could do for the E, the E flat major, you just let go of your ring and middle fingers and just play an A shape at the 8th fret. So we take this A from the open position. So you could just play the E flat like that on strings 4, 3, 2. Then we go to the 3rd fret for the C minor 7. And then it's just right, we just again shift string sets, and we go to this, you can play it like this, or you can play it like this. But I'm playing it, barring all the frets and just playing the A string at the 5th. You could maybe even go to you could either go, when you go to the G sharp, you can play it as just a power chord, just hit the low E and A strings, or you could go to a major. Thanks for watching. I had fun playing that. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.